Alright, so Pfizer is at $35.53 with a market cap of 198.19 billion. And in today's news, Pfizer expects higher COVID-19 vaccine prices and yearly boosters, and that means big sales long term. So Pfizer made headlines last month when its chief financial officer said that the company would look to raise COVID-19 vaccine prices after the pandemic wanes. The company is doubling down on that stance and believes that annual vaccinations are increasingly likely. So, this year alone, they're expecting to make $15 billion from the vaccine. And obviously, next year, there'll be more competition, more companies will create a vaccine, and people start mass producing. So, that means less money for Pfizer. So, they're essentially going to increase that price to probably stay around that $15 billion. That's a lot of money. That's a golden goose right there for them. So, and that's every year. I mean, there's a lot of people that need this vaccine, and if it needs to be done annually, that's solid money for Pfizer. So, I would like to have you comment down below. I recently saw a video on Fox News that somebody is expecting that Pfizer is going to hit $50, and if we're pulling in 10 to 20 billion dollars alone just from that vaccine, maybe we could. I would. It's possible. I would expect more in the $40 range, but I mean, you don't know what else will come next year. They get some other vaccine and they create some other new mystery blue pill. Who knows? But yeah, I just would like to know your thoughts. Please comment down below. I could definitely see Pfizer hitting $40 a year. Maybe they'll do some stock buybacks and start pumping this up a little. Either way, we're still going to earn that solid dividend. So yeah, stay on top of this, do your own research, have some fun, make some money.
This video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.